Hello everyone, this is Nadine Iskaf and I'm an ICT teacher. Today I'm going to share my experience in one of the virtual reality coding projects that I tried with my grade 10 students and they really enjoyed. By sharing my experience and by doing those videos, I really hope that some of the ICT teachers may benefit and may try the same projects in their classes. The platform that I usually use is Coding First. This platform has made my life easier as a coding teacher. Now I'm going to sign into my teacher account. I'm going to go to my grades. And as we said, today's project is going to be in grade 10 and in the virtual reality programming course. As you can see, we have multiple projects here, but today I chose to do a simpler project, which is the Shrek mode. Once you click on the lesson, you'll see the editor embedded in the system. You'll also see a PowerPoint presentation, which is a guide for the teachers to explain the purpose of the lesson. And it also provides step-by-step instructions on how the project goes. So I'm not going to go through the whole presentation now, but it's typically used in class and it is both detailed and very helpful to the teachers. We also have a lesson plan on how the flow of our class should go. First, let's take a look at what the game output should look like. On each arrow, Shrek is doing a different move. Now let's dive into the exercise. So once I click on the exercise, the editor will automatically load the code here. Since I'm using a teacher account, so the code is going to be shown on my screen. I'll go over the code with you and explain it. So first, I'm going to delete the whole code, and then we are going to do it together. Starting our code by adding an event listener so that it can listen to any key that we press. So it's going to be keyed down and it's going to listen to the function dance. Let's do now our dance function. In the function dance, we are going to load all the models and all the audios. So let us load the first model, which is going to be document dot query selector. And we are going to load the first spread. Next thing, we're going to load the animation and we're going to repeat the same thing for all the audios. After loading all the audios, we need to pause them because we don't want them to start directly. We pause all the audios. Now we're going to start with an if condition to check whenever I'm pressing each and every key. So let's start with the first one. If so this is for the arrow up key. The animation is going to be the Shrek with the foot tap. And then we are going to play the audio as well. We're doing the conditions for all the other arrows, so we can just copy the code and just change the animation and the arrow. So This is going to be the arrow down. And we want to do the same thing for all the other arrows. And the last thing is we are going to set the attribute of the model. This is going to be the animation mixer. That's it. The lesson is complete. Next, I can test my students' understanding by having them take the quiz. Each student can log into their own account and they can see the same view as we do now. They go through the code step by step, following the presentation, and finally they can take the quiz, which will be graded automatically. Now, from my dashboard, I can see the quiz results for each student, each class, and each section. I also use the lesson plan that I already talked about in my classes. And there's an additional project that I can assign it as a practice work for them to do at home. I hope you found this video helpful. Hopefully, it will be useful for other teachers as well, like me, who are looking to resources to use in their classroom. If this video gets enough views and likes, I'll be making more videos like this one. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day.